Myntri Rangbah Khubor konrad ke Samla menta kesengi ulalit pan sakhilang ye kale Niam be ding klam jong sin right tuber kapla long tuber is giant hills harangkat kejingedon lang usembut Myntri Rangbah ba snyau bhalang dhar na lor kiwe Habakren mikila pathai Khubor Myntri Rangbah ulayero ye be ding klam tuber da kaboong bakade kawe ni ki be ding klam ki bahet tam hakathan Shu ula ongru bementa ke sorkar ke penkre pan pentre kamno ke skim Kyrpang na ke benta Baroh ki Kynhun Niam Khubborjylla. Hakani kesengi la penpo ya ke beting klam da ke jingpoi bun bah kirot ki bela ay la ke jong ke Khubor.
Well, this is my second visit here. I have come before, and every time I come here, I see it get better and better. And the way the people have come together to really be part of the festival, it's a wonderful sight and a wonderful feeling. And for us as a government, we have always believed that this is the true identity of the people of our state. This is what makes us who we are. This is our culture. And it is very important that we keep it alive. It is very important that we pass it on to our generations. And therefore, ensuring that it is celebrated with the right spirit and also ensuring that the participation is there from the people is very, very important. So I take this opportunity to wish everyone a very happy Bedingklam festival. And as we know that this is a festival which is meant to ward off all the evils or diseases that are there, and in the new sense, all the kind of bad vibes that are there. So therefore, it is a lot of deep meaning, even in today's world and today's society. So therefore, it's a very meaningful festival, and as I said, a very important part of our culture. I am very keen as a government to support and to further improve the infrastructure for festivals like these. Very soon, I will be announcing a program and a scheme specially meant to promote different aspects of the religious cultural aspect and the history of the different religious groups in our state, whether it's the Sen rites in Khasi or the Christian religious groups or any other religious group. We are here to support and to be able to create different aspects like museums, like historical facts and cultures. All of this will be done. Just recently I was speaking to our Presbyterian church leaders who had mentioned about putting up a museum in the memory of Thomas Jones. And so under the same scheme, we'll be taking up those museums, and for the Catholic Church also as well as for other denominations in other places, and also for our own traditional religion and the Senrite and the Sinkhasi and other religious organizations that are there. We'll be supporting them in the days to come.